1991 Dodge W250. Got the original 1stGen Cummins diesel. That was from 89 to 93. It runs pretty good. Started right up after been sitting for over 4 years. Put a new battery in it. Fired right up. Oh, it holds. Needs some work. You can tell. See how I'm moving down here, and you can see how bad the brake is. I'm gonna try and clean that up. Alright. Show you the engine. The truck. I'm going to clean it still. I haven't gotten to that yet. I just want to see if it would run. I don't think the fuel gauge works because I try to put fuel in it and it won't take no more, so I'm thinking it's full. So I might have to play around with that. Speedometer works. Voltage, I'm going to guess it works. Yeah, and I haven't seen the temperature gauge go up yet. I haven't really driven it far. Got all my pretty lights. This light here is like wheat, so it basically is a glow plug light. So I got some codes I got to figure out. Radio don't work, but that's no big deal. You know, I don't care how. And then this does work. I did get like I can't move that thing, but I can. I guess it don't work. I guess I'm a liar. I can see stuff moving around, so there must be a little bit of airflow, but I gotta figure that out. I might just take the dash apart. But video, I figured I'd show you what I'm working on here.